Hello guys, so welcome back to the channel. So today I will be checking my fuel hose. There's a bit of petrol smell coming out, so I'll see whether I need to change the hose. It's usually all inside here, mind the light. So yeah, I'll open up and see what is inside and what's happening. Okay. Too small. One of the things that I did do is not to open the door, the driver's door, so that the fuel pump does not prime. Right. Once I open this cover, I should be able to see what is going on. Okay. All looks dry to me. It's a bit loose. Well, the hose is a little bit loose, so I'm going to try to cream it a little to see if I can get it tight again. Right. So this is the cream tool that I will usually use. Right, if you can see. Yeah. So yeah, I try to cream it a little, see how it does. Still loose. So I have pressurized the fuel, so it doesn't seem to be leaking. I turn on the well, I think I need to change this fuel line also, because it's cracking on the, it's cracked here. Yep. I need to do this here. Seems to be cracked. Okay. Right. So Yeah, it's rusty though, so I need to change the clip and everything here. Yep. Okay guys. Look, it is wet. Yeah, so once I turn on the ignition, this is wet, so I have to do something about this. It's leaking though. Okay. It's leaking. Yep. Okay, so that's where the fuel is coming out. Okay, I have decided to do a temporary fix because it's actually leaking quite badly. So I'm going to remove this clip so that I can redo the clip again. Let's see if I can remove this clip nicely. It's obviously not holding anymore, so I have to cut. Don't want to break anything. This car is very old. That is one of the problems about this kind of clips. It's one way, so it's hard to remove, but you just have to gently pry it so that it comes off. Okay, I think it's off. Yep. Oh, I didn't expect it to be leaking so badly. I do not want to spoil the rubber hose just in case it leaks somewhere else. There you go. One clip. Oh, it's clipped quite tight. I'll try to push it in slightly. Should be able to go in a bit more. I'm just gonna grip it gently and try to push it in a little bit. Well, it's not budging. So what I can do now is to replace it with a hose clip. It will have to do for now. I'm going to replace it with a Jubilee clip. It will have to do for now because in order to do this properly, I will have to remove everything to basically get the I think it's gripping. Yes, it is. I think so. Okay, this will be a temporary fix. Let's see if I turn on the fuel. Well, it seems like it's holding. No fuel. I'm going to start it, see what happens. Alright, seems dry now. Yep, it's dry. Oh, sorry guys, I don't know whether you can see this. But it seems dry now. No more leaking. not a permanent fix, so I'll have to do something about this. Okay guys, so this is a temporary fix, and I will go to the workshop and try to fix this permanently. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and I shall, sorry about the light. Thanks for watching, so I shall get back to you guys in the next video. Bye.